Bloomage PM'd Intelligent Manufacturing Plant is our next-generation smart manufacturing center integrating digitalization, intelligence, and systematization. Leveraging modern information technology and industrial big data, the workshop is equipped with cutting-edge intelligent equipment to realize digital quality monitoring and control, model-based process control, and informatized enterprise management in accordance with production procedures, and completes full-line equipment. In accordance with the production process, the workshop carries out wiring and sensor deployment on production equipment, and through palletizing robots, scanning devices, and information technologies such as MES, SSR, WMS, and WCS, it achieves full process tracking of material handling, full recording of process and material information, and comprehensive traceability of the entire production process. Relying on the DCS Plus batch platform, the workshop monitors and regulates equipment operation of all process sections, conducts real-time supervision and feedback on key control links, and realizes precise process control and full coverage data acquisition. The interconnection between MES and DCS enables a 100% production process data acquisition rate. The system fully integrates and applies material tracking data, key process parameters, and personnel operation records, and supports coordinated operation of manual and automatic production. The under-construction LIMS system further improves data accuracy, compliance, automation level, and overall operational efficiency. The Bloomage Comprehensive Evaluation Laboratory undertakes full process sample inspection, sample retention, and long-term stability investigation. The adoption of the DMS for document management ensures full data integrity and traceability. The Physicochemistry Laboratory is equipped with high-end precision instruments. The instrumentation room is equipped with advanced liquid chromatographs and gas chromatographs. All equipment features audit trail functionality, fully complying with GMP specifications and 21 CFR Part 11 data integrity requirements. The microbiological laboratory is equipped with professional testing equipment. The endotoxin testing room is fitted with clean benches to eliminate the interference of external environment and human factors on test results. The sterile laboratory is equipped with a dual-station double-sided sterile isolation workbench, microbial limit tester, and other professional facilities to support sterile testing procedures, effectively reducing the risk of cross-contamination. Bloomage will remain committed to combining scientific excellence with industrial scale and international vision, continuing to shape the future of life sciences and bring health and beauty to people worldwide.